Welcome to the channel, welcome to Anabolics International. So today I'm going to be making some milk teaception. What the heck's milk teaception? What is that? Well, let's find out. You're going to need one specific product from one specific brand just solely because of how bad it is of a product. You're going to be needing this cognac root powder. Now, I tried making cognac noodle with this. If you're going to make this is a really bad product. Like, this is a really bad product. Don't buy this for noodles. And I was gonna toss it out, but then I was like, oh, that's a waste of money. I only bought it because it was cheap, but I was like, oh, it's a waste of like $10, and I bought 2 cans because it was on sale. What do I do with it? So then I was scouring the web looking for recipes, and I found that you can make some type of milk pudding with it. And I was like, milk pudding. What if I made milk tea pudding with it? What if I put milk tea pudding in milk tea? That'd be bomb, right? So I did a few attempts, and I think I got the ratio down for how to make the milk pudding with this. So let's make some milk teaception. Alright, let's get into it. Again, sorry for the portrait. I thought this would be short enough for a short. To a saucepan, or whatever pan you want, add 120 grams worth of milk and 120 grams worth of tea. Or just, I don't know the correct ratio for milk tea, but I just did 50-50. Yeah, so just as long as this recipe is for 240 milliliters, 240 grams of liquid. To that, add a little bit of salt, and also I only added one packet of Splenda, but you can use a creamer or whatever sweetener of choice. Now heat your mixture for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until the water is warm. Doesn't matter how high the heat is, we just need the liquid to be warm. After the water is hot, you want to put in 4 to 5 grams of that cognac root powder that I talked about earlier, and put it in slowly while mixing super fast, or else it'll clump together, kind of like what's it called, sand gum. Afterwards, just simmer for another like 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes a little bit thick. Make sure to tilt the lid because you are boiling milk. There's a chance it'll overflow, and also to keep looking at it. You might want it on low or low medium, just in case. But after that's done, just sit over to the side to cool, and it should look about this thickness. Then just throw in the refrigerator for a few hours until cool. Okay, so now while the milk tea pudding is cooling down, let's try to make another topping. We'll be making egg pudding this time. Really fast. Just put some amount of egg, and then put double the amount of water, and put a little bit of salt and some sweetener. I forgot to put sweetener. So do as I say and not as I do. And then just mix until incorporated. You don't have to whip it, just mix it, and you don't have to really mix it that much. In fact, I would recommend you not mix it that much or that fast, just so that it looks smoother and prettier. After that, just cover it with either saran wrap or aluminum foil, and then we can toss it into a steamer and steam it for 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes solid. Once 15 minutes is up, take the steamed egg out of the steamer, and don't try to burn yourself. Then when you take it out, because you're a 5-year-old apart, you go jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle, and then also proceed to do the same thing with the milk tea version. Now, taking one of the 15 glass jugs that you paid extra for at a boba shop, construct your milk tea. Again, I still don't know the ratio for milk tea, so I'm just gonna do like 50-50 again. If you didn't notice, my channel is more of a theory craft rather than a recipe channel, but maybe one of y'all can leave a suggestion. And that's my take on milk teaception. I hope you enjoy, hope you try it out, and let me know how it goes. Jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle, jiggle jiggle.
Wow.